Assalamualaikum. Welcome to JM Publishers and the book which we are doing today, Maths of Prep Class. Students, today we will learn something new, the concept of hot and cold. Say with me, hot and cold. Students, open the page number 15 of your book and let's start to learn concept of hot and cold. Observe hot and cold objects. So students, look in this first picture of page number 15. Look here, this is hot tea. आप देख रहे हैं कि चाय में धुआं निकल रहा है. This is hot tea. When we touch it, it feels hot. जब हम इसे हाथ लगाएंगे तो हमें गर्म महसूस होगी. We drink hot tea in winter. Say with me, hot tea, hot tea. Now look at this ice cream. Dear students, it feels cold when we touch it. We eat cold ice cream in summer when it is hot outside. Say with me, cold ice cream, cold ice cream. So student, now look at this third picture. He feels hot. He feels hot. When the weather is hot, we feel hot. When the weather is cold, we feel cold. फोर्थ पिक्चर में देख रहे हैं आप, बच्चा सर्दी महसूस कर रहा है because weather is cold. Look children, this is fire. Fire is very hot. We must stay away from fire. It can be burn us. प्यारे बच्चों, आप देख रहे हैं पिक्चर नंबर 5 में आपको फायर नजर आ रही है जो कि बहुत गर्म होती है. हमें फायर से दूर रहना चाहिए, ये हमें जला भी सकती है. Say fire is hot. Say fire is hot. Students, now look at this ice. Ice feels cold. When we touch it, it makes our hands chilly. Say ice is cold. Students, when the weather is hot, we feel warm and we drink cold water. When the weather is cold, we wear warm clothes and drink hot tea. Fire and tea are hot. Ice and ice cream are cold. Ice and ice cream are cold.